Welcome into the video. I am your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to walk you through how to unlock your iPhone 16 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to your settings, swipe down, and just type in settings. From here, we're going to go to general and then about and swipe up, and you're going to write down the number in IMEI in the first column here. I do have it blurred out for security purposes, but write down that first number. We'll use it in the next step of the video. We're going to go back to our home screen, and we're going to go to our Safari browser to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. Starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Apple, and then the model is going to be iPhone 16, of course. Swipe up and go to unlock phone. We'll swipe up again. Here you'll see the price of what it'll cost to unlock your phone. This is the average delivery time, and so the way it works is once you fill out your information and you pay, then they're going to pull the latest unlocking instructions based on the model and the carrier, and then they will email you. So you could get a response as early as 1 hour or as late as 72 hours. Normally they lean closer to the first number, but they give you a range. Now I want to show you at the top of the screen here, they do offer a few different options on how to contact the company in case you have a follow-up question or you want to check in on one of your orders. So there is a toll-free number you can call, a number you can text, an email address, and there's a WhatsApp number. So I love that you have 4 different ways to contact the company in the event that you need an update on an order or you have a question. Now, once you get those instructions, you're going to walk through it, unlock the phone, and then it will ask you to restart the phone. After that, obviously you'll need to pick a new carrier, the carrier you would like to link the phone with. And all the carriers now will have information on how to link your phone with an eSIM. So whoever your new carrier is, they should have a process flow they can send you on how to get your phone set up with the eSIM service. All right. I will leave a link in the description of the website that you can go to get your phone unlocked right now. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.